If ChatGPT is showing an error state, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to chatting again. This is a super common issue, and in most cases you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced troubleshooting. We'll start with the simplest fix first, then move into the more effective browser and connection checks if the problem keeps coming back. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick AI and software fixes. All right, let's jump in. The first thing to try is the fastest fix of all, and that is refreshing the page. On Windows, press Ctrl and R together, or simply use the refresh button in your browser. This forces ChatGPT to reload the session and can clear temporary glitches that cause the error state. A lot of times the page just gets stuck for a moment, and a quick refresh is all it needs. As a simple rule, this resets the chat session and gives the browser a clean start. If refreshing does not solve it, the next step is to start a new chat. Click the New Chat button and ask your question again in a fresh conversation. Sometimes old chats can break or get stuck due to a temporary loading issue, a long conversation history, or a session conflict. Starting a new chat is one of the most effective ways to bypass the error state without changing any browser settings. If your current conversation is acting up, moving to a new one often fixes the problem instantly. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause ChatGPT to fail while loading responses, which may trigger an error state. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot if you can, or restart your router if the connection feels slow. You can also disconnect and reconnect to your network to force a fresh connection. Even if other websites still work, ChatGPT may be more sensitive to brief drops or network instability, so this step is definitely worth checking. If the issue is still there, move on to clearing your cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Privacy and Security, and then choose Clear Browsing Data. Cached files and stored cookies can sometimes keep broken session data around, and that can stop ChatGPT from loading correctly. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. This step is especially useful if the error state keeps happening on the same device or browser. Another great fix is to try Incognito Mode. Open a private or incognito window and load ChatGPT there. This is helpful because Incognito Mode removes many of the usual browser issues, including some cached errors and extension interference. If ChatGPT works fine in Incognito Mode, that usually means the problem is related to your browser data or one of your extensions, rather than ChatGPT itself. That makes it much easier to narrow down the cause. And that brings us to the final fix, which is to disable your VPN or browser extensions. VPNs, ad blockers, script blockers, and privacy extensions can all interfere with how ChatGPT loads and communicates with its servers. If you are using a VPN, turn it off and refresh the page. If you have extensions installed, try disabling them one by one, especially anything related to ads, privacy, or page scripts. In many cases, one of those extensions is the hidden reason behind the error state. So to quickly recap, if ChatGPT is stuck in an error state, try refreshing the page first, then open a new chat, check your internet, clear cache and cookies, test Incognito Mode, and disable any VPN or extensions. One of these fixes usually solves the problem fast. If none of them work, it may just be a temporary issue on ChatGPT's side, so waiting a few minutes and trying again later can also help. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips, AI tutorials, and quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.